Hi, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and I am thrilled to be making some noise today about Botanical Paperwork's double-sided seeded business card, style BC21721. There is nothing ordinary about this business card whatsoever. It's 3.5 inches by 2 inch. Okay, that's standard size, but beyond that, this business card is compostable. This business card is biodegradable. Botanical Paperworks actually sources their raw materials by collecting recycled paper from businesses and schools around their head office location. That is awesome. And the other thing they do is they embed this card with seeds. Let's talk about that in a couple of seconds. But first, you can actually decorate the front of this card. You can decorate the back of this card. The prices range from 63 cents to $1.01. Fantastic price point. But it's so cool in that the inks they use are actually water-based and they decompose once they get planted in that soil. How great is that? Now let me give you a real case study about this product. I have a couple of businesses. One of them is a podcast called Almost Enlightened. And I wanted to send my message out by giving business cards that really meant something, that were giving. And so I had these cards created, again, double-sided over here, and I give them to people. And in my experience, what happens is when someone receives it, their eyes light up. They read my business card and they say to me, Alex, you can plant this card? It's going to grow wildflowers? And the answer is yes. And then the next thing they do is, hey, take a look at this. Take a look at this card. You've got to see this card. It is a talking point. I absolutely love it. So a couple of other things you need to know about it. So these cards, the ones that I selected, are seeded with wildflower seeds. The cool thing about it is for an upcharge, if you wanted to plant herbs like chives, parsley, basil, thyme, dill, you could do that. Or if you wanted to plant seeds that had carrots in them, Roma tomatoes, butter crunch lettuce, you could do that as well. It's your choice. But for all those reasons and the positivity that surrounds this card, I think it is a wonderful advertising vehicle. In fact, I can't find a better way to promote my brand and everything that it stands for. So for those reasons, I am giving this product 2 solid thumbs up. Hey, I'm Alex. Thanks for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel because we are constantly bringing you revolutionary ideas and reviews that provide solutions to your needs. Have a great day, and we'll catch up with you soon.